Greetings from Obi Nnukwu Chineke. You are highly blessed and empowered to be great through the creativity of your brains and 5 fingers to support humanity via the existence of the wind, water and sand that constantly sustaining your life and monitors your activities without error to avoid backlist after death. Truly you are safe and secure to be here on earth to witness the creation of our Creator, Chukwu Okike Abiama, the owner of all humans and languages, and to extend kindness to your fellow human beings for peace to prevail. Take what belongs to you and let others have what's theirs. Don't be greedy. Be content with what you have to avoid evil inclinations towards others. Today is September 5th, 2024, also known as AFO, Market Day in Igbo land. Be diligent in your business and handiwork to support yourself and your community. Ise, so shall it be. From Obi Nnukwu Chineke, aka Wind, Water and Sand, the blessings of the universe, Onye Ndu Ikuku Achinike, the messenger of the truth afterlife.